Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the L'Occitane Cleansing and Softening Almond Shower Oil. It's received 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item and over 9,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Imagine transforming your daily shower into a luxurious spa experience. L'Occitane Cleansing and Softening Almond Shower Oil isn't just a cleanser, it's a moment of pure indulgence. As soon as the oil touches water, it transforms into a silky, nourishing milk that gently cleanses while locking in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and irresistibly smooth. Made with sustainably sourced almond oil from Provence, this product is rich in omega-6 fatty acids and helps to replenish your skin's natural barrier. The subtle, delicate almond fragrance lingers throughout the day, adding a touch of elegance to your routine. Perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin, this shower oil is a game changer for anyone seeking radiant, glowing skin. Why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your shower experience? Treat yourself to this almond shower oil and you will enjoy. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.